The invention of the multi-tool transformed a tool's kit's worth into devices in a pocket-friendly standalone device. Pliers, knife blades, saws, screwdrivers, and bottle openers can now be quickly accessible and ingeniously easy to operate. In this video, we're going to talk about breaking down the 6 best multi-tools in the market based on price, performance, durability, and more. We took a look at products in all cost ranges, so whether you want the best one for the value or the best one period, we got the best one for you. As always, check out the links for the most up-to-date information and be sure to not miss a thing. Let's start this list with the Leatherman Charge Plus TTI. When Tim Leatherman introduced his pocket survival tool in 1983, he transformed the world of pocket-friendly tools. Swiss Army-style pocket knives dominated the space, but by building his multi-tool around a pair of old fold-out pliers instead of a knife blade, it set the stage for a whole new world of utility. Constructed around the new non-traditional set of fold-out pliers, the Charge Plus TTI can handle any task. It includes 19 tools in total, including both needle nose and regular pliers, wire cutters, and electric crimpers, wire strippers, a saw, a cutting hook, and a spring-action pair of scissors. An 8-inch ruler has been further etched in titanium handles and can feature an opener on both bottles. It even has an eyeglass screwdriver. What makes it excellent is that all of this comes in a 4-inch long package that weighs 8.89 ounces. Next up, we have the Gerber Suspension NXT. Boasting a total of 15 tools, the Suspension NXT from Gerber provides a stripped-down option that has a classic multi-design tool, an equally streamlined price point. You can get spring-loaded needle nose pliers and locking tools that include a wire cutter, a 2¼ inch knife blade that's both serrated and straight, 3 flathead screwdrivers, scissors, a file, a wire stripper, and a wire cutter. The 4¼ inch long tool folds out to display an etch ruler, and the whole package weighs a modest 6.7 ounces. It also comes with a lanyard point as well as a pocket clip. Takes designs from cues from the original. The Suspension NXT is the evolution of the classic multi-tool design. The slim butterfly design features outboard tools that are accessible in just a snap once unexpected tasks come right up. This is undoubtedly an improved tool pack in a compact design that comes with the right price as well. Moving on, we have the Victronix Swiss Tool Spirit X. The daily needs of a traveler will dictate the best everyday carry option when it comes to selecting a multi-tool. For some, a pair of spring-loaded scissors, a small knife, or maybe a few screwdrivers. But if you opt for a tool with more comprehensive arrays of utilities, you'll find that this can handle any circumstance. With an impressive total of 24 functions, the Swiss Tool Spirit X from Victronix is one of the most versatile multi-tools available. This Swiss-made device is precision-engineered to be functional and stylish. From the slight bends in its ergonomic handles to the leather tool pouch, its functions read like a spilled toolbox and include regular and needle nose pliers. The Swiss Tool Spirit further measures just 4 inches, so it could easily fit in your pocket. It weighs only 7.4 ounces, and its classic yet modern toolkit is something that you'll need for sure if you're a person with a wanderlust mind. But up next, we got the SOG Micro Tool Clip. With a closed length of only 3.9 inches, SOG's Micro Tool Clip is one of the smallest multifunctional tools available right now. It accomplishes this feature by having one of the handles fold out to the device's main body, rather than the more conventional design of unfolding 2 handles. This device also features integrated spring-loaded pliers and a locking mechanism to keep the tool secure when they're not being used. In addition to the narrow pliers, the Micro Tool Clip comes with a straight knife blade, a bolt gripper, a bottle opener, a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, and a soft wire cutter nestled at the base of pliers. Its bead-blasted finish provides a short grip, and it also has a clip that latches to your pocket, belt, or backpack strap. There's also a small loop that could be attached to a keychain, if you need that. Next product on this list is the Leatherman Skeletool. This one was the most portable. You could take it anywhere. Stripped to its bare essentials, streamlined and designed, and you got the Skeletool. It's a high-performance multi-tool that weighs only 5 ounces. Rather than providing a full toolkit's worth of utility, this company has only the most useful tools in the model. It's a spring-loaded plier combo with a wire cutter at the base, a lockable 420HC 2.6-inch knife with a serrated lower section, a bottle opener, and a bit driver that could hold 2 square drivers and 2 Phillips. Every tool could be opened with one hand, and this device comes with a pocket clip that could be taken out, so it could go anywhere. The Skeletool is further available in 4 different colors, including blue, green, and tan. And finally, we got the Leatherman Style PS. It's our most TSA friendly. This will help people avoid saying goodbye to their trusted multi-tool once they hit the TSA security gate. This device does not have a knife blade, which is a glaring omission that makes it TSA friendly, but in all other ways, the keychain-sized tool can deliver for most occasions once it's needed. It comes with a pair of fold-out springs. It comes with a mix of needle nose and regular pliers that provide enough grip and torque for a host of applications. It also has a flathead and Phillips, a pair of pull-out tweezers, a nail file, spring-action scissors, and a combination bottle opener. All that, and it measures a pocket-friendly 2.9 inches and weighs a bit over 1.5 ounces. It's the ultimate pocket-sized multi-tool for travel, campsites, and life on the go, made with stainless steel and glass-filled nylon. This multi-tool can deliver all the necessities. It's compact and lightweight. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.